Cordial greetings. My name is Cristian Alonso Vera Rodriguez, and I am a student of the Tennis program at UNAT. Today I'm going to share one of the section from my blog. The section it shows my travel experience visiting the Eje Cafetero. I chose this section because visiting the Eje Cafetero was one of the most beautiful and unforgettable experience I have ever and it allowed me to connect with nature and appreciate Colombia rich coffee culture. Visit LF Cafetero felt like stepping into a world of the green mountains, coffee farms, and authentic tradition from the most your regret with hospitality and practic landscapes is the perfect destination to disconnect, breathe fresh air, and discover the history behind Colombia coffee. Um, this experience helped me appreciate the beauty of my country and offer the people you work on coffee production. Thank you very much and goodbye.